Carrier-based aircraft, that's what we're going to talk about right now. Also known as carrier-capable aircraft, carrier-borne aircraft, carrier aircraft, or aeronaval aircraft. It's a novelized aircraft designed for seaborne flight operations from aircraft carriers. Provide a full-length flight deck and storage facilities to deploy and recover aircraft, enabling air power projection globally without reliance on land-based airfields. The Future Carrier-Borne Aircraft (FCBA) is planned to replace both the RNC Harrier and the RAF Harrier GR7 in the second decade of the next century, in a joint force to operate from the new aircraft carriers or from land bases.